To maximize space, the Su-33 features a heavy folding wing design. This allows for compact storage on the carrier's deck. It is a critical feature for naval operations.
Cleared the ramp, the Su-33 enters a steep climb. A flawless execution of naval air power. Bringing a 20-ton fight fighter down on a pitching deck is a controlled crash. The hook must catch the wire. Catch the wire now!
The Su-33 displays remarkable agility, executing a hard bank above the sea.
The Su-33 completes its recovery. With wings folded, it clears the landing area. On the deck, timing and precision are everything. The sea flanker begins its delicate dance. The Su-33 is a formidable naval fighter. Watch as it orbits gracefully above its carrier. This is precision flight at its finest.